This is my new screwdriver. Well, these are hex drivers. Holder. This is my older one. Still good. This prints a lot quicker than this one. It does have a sort of storage thing in the middle, as well as these on the outside for, in my case, these extra Allen keys. I need to sort these out. Short ones are a bit of a nuisance because they do go down here, but this is quite a bit more steady than this one because it's heavier, especially when you add more things to it. So you turn it round, pull them out. Oh, it's very hard trying to do this left-handed in the camera. And you can turn it round to whatever size you want and then pick that one out, use it, pop it back in. Same with some of these like taller Allen keys here, but obviously you could use smaller screwdrivers. Maybe even a couple of spanners in the center there. So this is on line with this one, both together, whichever file you want to use. This I think took over 7 hours. No infill. Oh, this one, sorry, I meant no supports used on that one. This one I pinned it upside down to avoid supports on here. The holes have like a cone shape at the end, so those shouldn't need supports. A bit flexible, same as this, like a little bit flexibility in there. See the center part there, couple of adjustable spanners or open-ended spanners, whatever. Can't really there's the bottom. I think this is, it seems a lot more solid on here than this one used to be. This one are quite easy to knock it over. This one is, as I said, with these extra Allen keys to weigh it down.